Forget battling with wooden swords. Today's business demands agility. Clinging to outdated methods is a surefire way to fall behind. Enter subtle tech tweaks, your secret weapon for unlocking remarkable progress. Myth: digital transformation screams big bangs. Reality: small, customer-centric changes whisper volume. 56% of adults prioritize digital resources for product recommendations, highlighting the crucial role of online experience. Customers demand frictionless personalization, and businesses failing to deliver risk falling silent. AI, your secret agent in this competitive playground, analyzes customer data, anticipating their needs and personalizing their journeys. Medical imaging reveals diseases like cancer at the earliest stage, proving AI is not just a sci-fi trope, but a revolution in action. Embrace it or fade behind the curve. But robots aren't the only tools. Dynamic call numbers track individual website visitor journeys, empowering you to tailor their experience. You get each visitor's phone number, allowing you to connect with them personally. This seemingly minor tweak can yield enormous loyalty-building benefits. Geographical call routing is another game changer. Understanding each visitor's digital context lets you prioritize calls from your most engaged customers, connecting them with dedicated personnel. This not only saves time, but fosters loyalty and positive brand sentiment. Adding text messaging capabilities can boost customer satisfaction and brand loyalty, especially for younger demographics. Data is your friend. Insights, dashboards, and call tracking empower you to optimize marketing campaigns and resource allocation, maximizing return on investment. Netflix, by analyzing over 30 million daily plays, successfully predicted the success of shows like House of Cards. Embrace data-driven decisions for remarkable growth. Focus on the small, conquer the big. Identify your target audience and understand their needs. Analyze your current customer experience and identify pain points. Research tech solutions that align with your needs and budget. Start small, implement 1 or 2 tweaks at a time, and scale gradually. Monitor results and track key metrics to identify what works and what needs improvement. Be open to continuous learning and adapt to keep your online business thriving. Small steps, consistently taken, lead to remarkable success. Embrace change, leverage technology strategically, and unlock the true potential of your business. Ready to take action? Share in the comments below which tech tweak you're most excited to implement, and how you plan to incorporate it into your online business strategy to help you get the new year off to a cracking start. Get your free marketing guide in the caption below.